Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is an episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And today we are exploring Avatar, the last Airbender toys by McFarlane Toy Company. I've been looking forward to this for a while. I love Avatar, the cartoon. I hated the movie, but I'm looking forward to the Netflix show. We're going to take a look at two of these that we got this week. We got AANG with the glider and his trusty Sky Bison APPA. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so that was a quick unboxing and quick look at them. So let's go over it. Let's talk about the accessories to AANG, his glider and his staff. His staff, in my opinion, sucks, okay? There's like no detail on it. It's like they just popped it out of a little mold and say, oh, here's your staff. Look at it. If I'm paying money, why is my staff bending like this? Why is it bending like a shoelace? This should not be this way. It should be at least stiff so it doesn't bend, okay? This should be harder and stiff like a regular staff. This looks like something they just say, okay, here's a staff. It sucks, okay? The staff for AANG sucks. The glider has a little bit more detail, all right? It looks like the staff almost, but it just has this. With AANG, you can attach him to it, all right? There's like, you just have to try to fit his hands in between the first part right here, alright, like that. I mean, then it doesn't really go well, to tell the truth. Alright, if I'm, see, it keeps coming undone. Alright, you stick it in like this, try to figure out, okay, there you go. Once you get going, he's on it, alright. My problem with this glider is, see how it's not stiff, it's like bendy, just like the staff. So I can't hold it here. I can't hold it from anywhere on the top. I would have to hold it from here like this and fly like this. But look at all this little gap here. They should have something where you can attach his legs to it so he can fly normal like this. What I have to do is just crank his legs over like this, like that. That's not bad. There's no way to put his legs anywhere. Like there's nowhere to attach it or anything, so when he's flying, you're flying it like this. Oh, I can't keep my legs up. Come on, keep it up like that. What am I gonna hold it like this? And stuff. See, the glider, like it design-wise, it looks okay, but practical use kind of sucks. All right. So the accessories on AANG, not the greatest. I have to give this like a C. The glider a C, the staff an F, because this just sucks. This just looks like nothing. It should be stiffer, okay? Now, let's talk about AANG himself. AANG himself is very detailed, okay? I like the clothes. It has a lot of movability. His shoulders, his elbows all move. His head can turn left and right. His waist can turn. It's like how... Basically, if you had those old G.I. Joes from the 80s, it basically moves like that, okay? Here, the knees move, the waist. The ankles don't move, all right? But for the most part, yeah, it's doable. It's like a G.I. Joe from the 80s. And they were fairly durable. So standing-wise, doesn't stand too well. Oh, you know what I wish they had? Remember the old G.I. Joes, they had the little hole here at the bottom of their feet, so when you get like an accessory where they can stand, the accessory has a little thing and you stick it in the thing to make them stand and pose. You know what I'm talking about? If you remember that, the G.I. Joes. I wish they had that. I wish they had something where you can make him stand. So if you attach him to something, he'll stand better. You can make him stand, but, you know, like the G.I. Joe, you can stand. Like, a lot of people set up the G.I. Joe like to battle, and they have them sticking in little holes and stuff. But as far as Aang himself, I like it. But as you tell right here, this has a lot of movement on this side, the right side. But on the left side, very stiff. So, yeah, this is just a luck of the draw. Maybe your guy will be real stiff, maybe it'll be real loose. So, as far as A, I give it an A. Okay, it's very nice, detailed, but the accessory sucks. Now let's talk about the Sky Bison Appa. This is very detailed, from the fur to the saddle to the bottom of him. Very detailed. When you get it, you will have to attach the tail to it. It moves up and down, so it won't fly and stuff. The head will move like so. Alright, like that. Oh, can you go all the way around? Yeah, you can go all the way around. Okay, it doesn't look like it's gonna fall off. You can make them say yes or no. The mouth will go up and down, so it's open and close. The legs would not move, they're pretty much static. Alright. The seats is nice. Now, the thing about this I have a complaint about is when you stick the character, there's nowhere for the character to hold. You know what I'm saying? It's like, so if I'm flying, hey, I'm playing with him, oh, look. Well, I guess you kind of hold it. Oh, no, he falls. Alright. So I wish they had something where you could attach it. And I wish it was slightly bigger so you could put all three of the characters in it. You know what I'm talking about? Another thing, like I think, remember in old G.I. Joe's, well, was it G.I. Joe or Star Wars? Could have been Star Wars. The one with the big lizard, and you stick the character in, there's like a little trap door on top of the lizard, and you stick the character in so you can stay in it and don't move. I wish they had that. A little trap door so you can stick Aang's legs in. So when he's flying, he doesn't fall out. Alright. So like I say, Appa is very heavy. It's very sturdy. Alright, so I would give this an A. Alright. Besides the whole point where the characters can't really sit in the seat all that well, I give, you know, like A- at best. You can still have fun posing it and stuff. So, what do I think about so far about the Todd McFarlane Avatar toys? The Appa, fantastic. Great detail, have mobility. Aang himself, good. The accessory seems like it was like a second thought. Well, we're going to toss some accessories to them. Staff sucks. This is not the greatest either. So, alright. Okay, so we are going to do more reviews of the other Avatar toys later. So make sure you are a subscriber. And don't forget to hit that bell for notification when we drop new videos. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Alright. And if you want me to do another test, which is a real test, letting kids play with these toys and see how long before they break it. Because unless you're just a collector, you know you're never going to touch it, you just pose it. But if you, technically these are made for kids. So how long will it take before the kids will break these? That's what I want to know. Alright, if you want to see that video, leave me a comment. Alright, I'm your host, Ricky Knoles. And like I said, if you like this video, hit those like buttons, hit that bell for notification to see when I drop the new Avatar toy videos. Alright, we got 2 more to do. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be part of Knoles Cool Stuff family. Until next time, my followers, be cool.